Where does the name for Coleshill, or in Welsh Cwnsyllt, come from? So today I'm in an area on the edge of Flint in Flintshire, and it's called Coleshill or Cwnsyllt. Now, originally I wanted to try and get into Coleshill Woods, which I think are behind me here, but it's all private land, so I'm sat outside the shell. I'll have to explain it from here. Let's get into the name.
The name for Coleshill comes from Old English and is made of col, a person's name, and hill, meaning a hill. The Welsh name, Cwnsyllt, comes from that, with the name col turning to con or cwn over time, as part of a process common in Welsh when borrowing words from Old English, in which n and l become somewhat interchangeable. The hill at the end over time became a hill, and hith, and then ultimately itht, with the influence from the Welsh word allt, meaning a slope, similar to Gwersyll and Bagyllt. Coleshill is well known as a potential site of the 1157 Battle of Coleshill, otherwise known, following Gerald of Wales, as Coleshill Wood or as the Battle of Ewloe, in which an army of Henry II clashed with the forces of Owain Gwynedd. It was also supposedly the site of a battle in 1150 between Owain Gwynedd and Madoc ap Maredydd of Powys, in which the latter was defeated. The battle happened as part of Henry's campaign to try and retake control of areas throughout the Welsh Marches, as he'd recently taken the throne of England. Owain Gwynedd had taken a defensive position nearby, so Henry tried to organise a sneak attack through the woods here, where he was ambushed by Owain's sons, Dafydd and Cynan.
The king lost his royal standard and nearly got captured himself, and actually several English noblemen were killed, including Eustace FitzJohn, the Constable of Chester.
After the battle, Henry fled to Chester to discover his naval attack on Anglesey had also failed, with its commander, Henry Fitzroy, also dying. As a place name in Flintshire with its unusual mix of Old English and Welsh, I must thank Hywelwyn Owen for his research of this in his book Place Names of Flintshire. I'll put a link in the description, so if you're interested, you know where to find a copy.
So the name literally means Coleshill. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.